viewers, welcome to BaNgStruMenTALz. My name is R. Banger, the mobile producer and beat maker. Welcome. And today what we're going to talk about is this thing that I like to call the process. The process is what I'm talking about, is being able to do all the things on your mobile device versus doing it on your laptop computer. I'm going to show you basically what apps to use. Apps like YouTube Downloader, MP3 Media Converter, and another app to chop up all of your samples called Tape Machine. And for those of you that have been paying attention to my videos, you would know that YouTube is one of the biggest sources of sounds that you can come across. So without any further ado, let's go ahead and jump right on in, and I can show you how you can get your sounds formatted and ready to go and load up into apps like the Su-Preme MPA app. Peace. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and jump right in, and first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna go search for something that we like, as far as sound goes to chop up. And we're not going to use our typical YouTube app. We're going to use a YouTube Downloader app to accomplish this. I'm actually already signed in, but I'll go ahead and open the app. And this app's pretty cool. I don't like the ads like this that pop up as soon as you open it, but this app is pretty cool. So I'm just gonna go ahead. I've actually got some people in, that I've subscribed to that, they always upload cool music and stuff. So I'm gonna go ahead and pull up one of them. Let's see. Let's pull up this guy. See what he's got going. Oh, you know me, I love guitars. So I'm gonna pick this right here, right off the bat. So a YouTube Downloader, all you have to do is select the file that you want to get, and you can either play the file or download it. And what this is going to do is download the whole video, of which we can't use the video itself in our song. So there's some more processing that we're going to have to do with this audio hack here. So what we're going to do is go ahead and download it, and then it gives you options. Pretty much either do you want it or not. So we're gonna go ahead and download that in the MP4 version, and it did that rather quickly. The file is already there. So what we're gonna do now that we have that is we're gonna go ahead and convert the audio from the video to an MP3 file, of which that's tangible for us as mobile music producers. So now let's go ahead and open a nice app called MP3 Converter, or Media Converter rather. So this is what this app looks like when it opens. And what we're going to do here is we're going to load up the actual file that we want to convert, which is the one that we just downloaded. So you just hit the little plus sign. It gives you, access to all of your root files here. And there it is. I finally found it. So you just click on the file and this opens up. And then you can either play it, convert it to an MP3, convert it to MP4. It has all these different options, but we want an MP3 because that is what we're going to be able to load up into our apps like the Su-Preme MPA. So now, while that's working, as you can see, it's converting. You see the numbers moving there, right there. The numbers are moving, so it is converting. And we'll go ahead and wait for this process to finish. Once you have that finished, what you're going to do is go ahead and open up Tape Machine, and you're going to go ahead and navigate in Tape Machine to where the file is, which, since we used media converter, it's going to be in the media converter directory, and there's our MP3 right there. So we're going to go ahead and load that up, and there it is. We'll play this and we'll figure out which part of this that we want to take. I actually like that first riff, so let's go and we'll select this. And the way you do this in Tape Machine is move this a little bit closer. We'll zoom in a little bit. You get a good look at our wave here. Did not mean to do that. Okay, there we go. Alright, there's good. This one. And you'll go to the select tab and hit this button till you start. And then we'll scroll on over to where we want to chop it, which about right here is good. And we'll do like that. And as you can see, we've got just that part that we wanted selected now. Okay, and what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and convert this file to the format that we want. Since, you know, I use the Su-Preme MPA a lot, the rates that the audio needs to be is 16-bit and 44.1 kilohertz. So what we're going to do here is we're going to go ahead and convert this. And the way we do that is to come here, and it gives you certain options. So you can go ahead and just leave this MP3, you know, but it has several options. And for me, you know, I like waves, so I will convert this to a wave. I probably should have did that in the beginning, actually. So there, my conversion process is done. And now what we want to do is we want to export this.